So far as we have learned about the contacts and regarding the smart list inside the Go High level. So our next topic is LC phone number and how we set it up in our Go High level. So what happens is that basically GHL provides us a system, a calling system inside a Go High level that we will use to set up our phone number inside the Go High level for our specific business. So what we are going to do is that inside Go High level we will buy a number and that number will get assigned to our business inside GHL. So what kind of this number is that we can use this number to call our leads, to send SMS to our leads, to track our leads and all these things. So what are the steps is that we will simply move inside the Go High level, we will buy a number and then configure it, and then it will get set it up to our own business. Okay, let's proceed to our next screen to see how to buy a number and how we can configure it. We will simply proceed to the setting which is left below. I will simply click on the settings and now you can see there is a line written phone system. I will simply click on it and here you can see that already bought numbers will appear right here. Yeah, so these are the numbers that I already bought and in use with my business. So if you are a new and you want to buy a number for your own business, you will simply go to this button which is known as add number. I will simply click on it and then add phone number used for SMS and calls. Okay, so from here the Go High level will show you some of the contacts he already have, but the main thing you have to see here is the monthly price. Yes, Go High level charges you per month for your number, like $1.5 per month, which is on US numbers, and if we move forward then there are other charges like $2.15 for any other number. So if you want to buy a number, and one more thing that you have to check is the type and the address requirement as well. The type should be local or the tool free, both are suitable for you. And the other thing are the capabilities that this button show that this number can make a voice call, this number can make an SMS, and this number can make an MMS as well. So these things should be enabled for a number that you want to buy. You will simply click on it and click on proceed to pay. Whenever you will click on it, your number will get bought and will appear right here. Okay, after that you have to configure it. You will simply go to here, edit on configurations. This number is already configured, so I just want to show you that how you can configure your own number. First of all, basic details, you can simply name your number. After that, this settings will show you that this number belongs to which user. In Go High level there are multiple users. Maybe you are the user, your manager or the user, any employee can be a user of the Go High level, so you will assign that number to some specific user. And first of all, when this thing is get set it up, whenever whoever makes inbound calls will get route to that employee, means that employee will get know that somebody calls you on this number. Maybe that is the lead, maybe that is the new customer. After that you can enable the recording options as well. If I simply click on it, it will enable the call recording as well. After that we will move towards the call forwarding system. What happens is that whenever somebody calls on your bought phone number, like this is the number I bought, and if somebody calls me on this number, I can set a priority that if somebody calls on this number, then what should happen is that that call should forward to some employee, that call should forward to some team member, which I set it up here, or external phone number, means you can add your own registered phone number which is you are using on your phone. Whenever you enter that number right here, if somebody calls on your bought number, it will get forward to this number that you write here. After that there is a bot, AI bot, that is provided by the Go High level. You can train it, and after that if somebody calls you on this number, it will get forward to the bot, and bot will handle that call, will handle the communication with the customer, deal with the bookings, deal with the queries of the customer and all of that. After that, from here you can add more team members as well. This is a timeout number, that whenever if somebody is ringing and the call is not received, then what should happen. So these settings are for that. After that, the backup is known as voicemail. You want to send a voicemail on the phone to the customer, to the lead. So these settings are for that. After that, this is a whisper message. Whisper message, you may know that whenever somebody calls someone, so maybe there are the bots right away on the call that shows you that leave a message after a beep. So this thing is same as that. I will write here something that call me later. So whenever whoever customer calls me, the bot will answer him that call me later, like that. But we can't, in business we can't do these things, because we have to capture the lead as soon as possible. After that, there is a caller ID. I think there is no need to add this, and you will simply click on save. All your number is now configured. The next step is that you have to, this is the main thing that you have to do whenever you buy your number. This is known as A2P 10 DLC registration. This should be done against your number. Whatever number you have bought, this thing should be happen. I will teach you about this later in our coming up video, that how you can register your number, because this is the most important step that you have to do. After that, if I show you the main feature of this number, is that if you move to AI agents, that we'll cover later in our further videos. I will go to the voice AI, where you can configure your voice systems, your voice AI bots that will call the leads or handle the leads whenever you are away or you are not available. I will go to AI agents. This is the agent that I already set it up, and in this voice agent you can see that the number is used. This number is buyed number, that first of all I have to buy a number, and then this voice bot will get set it up on this number. So this is all about related to the phone numbers and how we can set it up. Let's come to the next video. Till that, bye bye.